जी अस्सलाम एवरीवन। ये सन्नाटा आपको महसूस हो रहा है? And this room has become
heavy.
It's become. This room has become.
Make me fall asleep.
Yeah, है ना?
Yeah.
Just doing nothing.
Just fall asleep.
इसको कहते हैं मकाम-ए-हेरत. You know, herat means astonished or something like that. You're like, you can't do anything. You just feel like
bewildered.
Yeah, it's bewildered. The atmosphere bewildered. Now just imagine for a sec.
Bewildering.
Okay, this is basically one of those things. It creates a bewilderness. The Prophet said. Now just imagine what effect the Prophet would have had.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Just imagine the effect of his
Unimaginable, yeah.
unimaginable. क्या बात है.